Afternoon, Indirasha here. Today let me show you how to make nippattu. Okay, I have already made the flour ready. For this you need 4 cup of rice flour. In this measurement I have taken 4 cups of rice flour, 1 cup maida and 1 cup rava. This chiroti rava. Okay, so 4 cup rice flour, 1 cup maida, 1 cup chiroti rava. Any fine rava, not even if you don't get chiroti rava, it's okay. Just look for a fine rava. And maida, you have to dry fry it. Dry fry it in a pan and add it to the rice flour and add the rava also. Okay. Then after adding rava, you have to take 1 cup of this fried gram. Okay. The same measurement, same this thing. 1 you have to take. Then 1 cup of this groundnut which is fried. Okay, these two you have to coarsely powder these two. And then you need red chilli according to the taste, and then curry leaves. You have to dry fry curry leaves and red chilli. Okay, after frying them you have to powder them. Then copra 1 cup. So 1 cup copra, then 1 cup this groundnut, 1 cup fried gram you have to powder, and then powder the red chilli and the curry leaves also. So after powdering all of them, you have to mix it with the flour. Here I have mixed, and then 1 cup of hot oil you have to pour in it. 1 cup of hot oil. So here I have added all the powdered ingredients, and then maida 1 cup, that is dry fried, then rava, and then 4 cup of rice flour. Then I have added salt, then asafoetida, and then till, white till, gingerly. Okay, now let me mix them properly. Now after mixing, if the quantity is more like this, take half of them and keep it aside. Now add water little by little and make a dough. Make a soft dough. I have taken 4 rice flour, 1 maida and 1 rava. So maida you have to dry fry it. Okay. Then you have to take red chilli and little curry leaves. That also you should dry fry it and powder. Then take 1 cup of fried groundnut, then 1 cup of fried gram, 1 cup of dry coconut, that is copra. You have to coarsely powder them. Then mix it with the flour and add salt, asafoetida, and then hot oil, and then till. Okay, and then make a dough. If the quantity of the dough is more, keep the dry flour half, and then you can add water later. See, this is the consistency it should be. When you make a round ball, it should hold. Okay. Now I'll show you how to make nippat. In the meantime, I have kept oil here for frying. Here, you have to make nippat like this. Take a ball of equal size, keep it like this, and then flatten it. It should not be very thick, not very thin. Okay. You can take leaf or any cotton cloth or anything. Here the oil is, see, the oil should not be very hot. It should not give fumes. Okay. It should just be hot. Now let me drop them. See here. Can you see the thickness? Let me drop them one by one. Here I can drop 5. Here. Do not flip it immediately. Now you can flip them. While doing, if you prick it in the center, it will not fluff up. Okay, so you can just prick it. Otherwise, like puri, it will become like puri. Melnirka. See, when the bubbling sound in the oil, when it reduces, you can remove them. Okay? I am telling you, the oil should not be very hot. If it is hot and if it starts giving fumes, what will happen? The outer part will become brown, but the inner part will remain raw. Okay? Now you can remove them. See, the bubbling sound has completely reduced. Now let me add this. See, I have pricked with a fork. Here, the Karnataka special nippattu is ready. This is very crispy, very tasty. Please try it and tell me. You see? Yeah. Very hot. See? So please prepare it and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for seeing my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the bell button for notification. So thank you very much. This is Vela. Bye bye.